So you made the video, you made the thumbnail, you hit publish, and then you waited and waited and waited. 12 views, 7 of them might have been you. Come on, people. Here's what nobody tells new creators. Posting content and building a content business are two completely different things. You didn't know? You better go ask somebody. See, everybody tells you, just keep posting, be consistent, never give up. Okay, but what are you consistently doing? Because if there's no strategy, no audience, no reason to click, no reason to stay, and nowhere to go next, congratulations. You're consistently making videos nobody sees. Miss me with the bullshit. See, most creators don't need another motivational speech. They need a system, a reason to click, a reason to keep watching, a reason to come back, and a way to make today's work keep working tomorrow. That is the Speaker's Creator Hub. Here, we don't just talk about building, we build the damn thing. Thumbnails, video editing, AI YouTube strategy, branding, digital products, merchandise, online stores, websites, content systems, and evergreen assets designed to keep working, even after you've logged off. Think about it. Why should one good idea live once, get 24 hours of attention, and die? Nah, not over here. One idea can become a long-form video, a short, a Facebook post, a blog article, a product, an email, a customer, another doorway into your business, and another asset sitting in your library, working for you. Piece by piece, by piece. The machine gets bigger. Your videos start connecting. Your products start connecting. Your audience starts understanding exactly who you are, what you do, and why they should come back. That's when you stop chasing every single view and start building something you own. Likes are nice, views are nice, subscribers are real nice. But assets? Assets can pay you while you're sleeping. We're talking YouTube, we're talking creators, we're talking entrepreneurs, authors, artists, music.
People with something in their head, ready to turn it into something real. And here's my pledge. Truth over trust. Honesty for loyalty. No fake guru nonsense, no magic button, and no make $10,000 by Tuesday garbage. WTF. Yeah, we know what that means. We test, we build, we study what worked and what failed. When something doesn't work, we learn from it. We fix it. We come back smarter. That's business. And sometimes you're gonna see Grandpa Gang, Grandma Gang, original artwork, merch, books, characters. Yeah, we got some big, beautiful personalities around here too. What can I tell ya? We don't do boring very well. But underneath all of it, there's a purpose. That shirt isn't just a shirt. That book isn't just a book. And that video shouldn't disappear tomorrow. They're assets, pieces of something bigger. Build something that's yours. Build something that lasts. Build something that keeps working after today's work is done. Then let tomorrow's work build on today, instead of starting from zero every single time. So if you're new here, don't try to watch everything. Pick one problem, pick one tutorial, learn it, build it, put it to work, then come back and add the next piece. Because you're not just making videos, you're building a brand, you're building assets, you're building an audience, you're building an ecosystem. That's the Speaker's Creator Hub, for creators ready to stop posting and praying and start building with purpose. Subscribe, pick your first tutorial, and let's get to work. You better go ask somebody.